Hi, I'm Abby Bangser. I work as a principal engineer at Syntasso, building Kratix, which is building platforms as a product on top of Kubernetes. And I'm super excited to be at KubeCon this year presenting a tutorial, a 101 tutorial on getting started with operators. So I'm going to be using Instruqt to bring people through a process of using Kubebuilder to generate their first controller with a CRD, and then turn that into an operator for a little to-do app where they're going to be able to deploy their application and update it. Oh, this was a fantastic experience. I've heard that it was the most well-attended session tutorial in this room so far, which is great to hear. And it was really great to see so many people stay and at the self-pace and working together and learning together. It was really nice.
So that's quite interesting. We've been preparing for quite a while. So Abby has been doing a fantastic job preparing this tutorial, and we weren't quite sure how many were going to come. We saw the sign-ups were pretty high, like over 700. And then we had I think at one point I was checking the stats because I was moderating and just checking progress. And at one point I think the highest rate was 391 active participants, which was amazing.
I think the thing that is most exciting to me about Instruqt is that I've been able to give people what the environment that they have on their local laptops in this web environment. The fact they can use VS Code and make changes in that text environment they're used to and have a console right next to them that they can then run those changes through the terminal has been the most powerful thing I've seen. I think the surprise for me was the diversity in people that found value in this. So I spoke with someone who was an application developer who has operators provided to them, and they're like, oh, I could go and improve that in the way that I keep asking them to. I can just jump in, which is great. I had an architect come and say, my team was building something like this, and I'm not really in the code that much these days, but now I can understand a bit better about what they're doing, and yeah, so it's just great to see different profiles of people get benefit from the same tutorial. And it was fantastic. The turnout was great. Everybody was a really good sport with conference Wi-Fi and everything else, and we saw almost everybody complete the tutorial and really learn a lot, which is great.